Everyone, this is Kibo Vlog, si Filipino actor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video, ang maybe sweet moment. So I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. I know from the fact na paulit-ulit ko talaga sinasabi to na ang mga videos natin dito is medyo hindi siya updated. Pero hindi naman lumang-luma. So I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. Ano to?
Miss Chris Aquino is not here right now.
Wala po.
How would you
Ay.
feel to see the showing of people na ang dami pa rin nakakaalala po sa kanyang tatay?
You've been very happy. Very
Oo
happy
naman.
talaga. Well, now she has a bit of body aches now. And that's why Kuya Josh is not here po. He's the one making her bantay now. Palitan kami.
Si Kuya Josh
so
ang
last time,
nagbabantay.
I couldn't make it to
Cute.
Lola's
Pero
death
naman ni Chris
anniversary.
sa
So
mga
it was
anak
Kuya Josh
niya,
naman
no?
to go. And I took care of Mama. And then now it's his turn naman.
Meron ba siyang message na gusto mong parating ni
To my mom, I think she'll post later. Yeah, I
She'll
think she'll
post
post
later.
later. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
To Bimbi
Okay.
naman, you weren't born yet.
Yes.
So how does it feel to see this showing of people at what's your message for the youth na weren't born yet during the time of Saturn?
Research po, research. There's a lot of
Research.
videos of Lolo on YouTube.
Hala, politician in the making talaga siya.
As a person. And yeah,
Politician
you'll
in the
really get to know
making
him
talaga siya, sa
Kasi
totoo lang.
Almost every night I watch, the one I showed you, Kuya Kiko? This one. I showed you a lot. The one when he was in prison pa. And then wala ko sa, even Kuya Kiko, we never really we never had a conversation with him. But just research and trust reliable sources.
Parang we're learning about him the same way.
Yeah.
Learning
the same
about
way
him.
most Filipinos do, no? Na di namin siya naabutan. None of us na magpinsan. So, yun po. We hope that people can get to know him the way.
Ay, okay. Ay,
Claiming my first adult sweldo.
ay, adult sweldo. First adult sweldo.
Babe, sino ito-treat mo sa first ano mo?
My mom, of course.
May mom, ano kaya tweet niya? Yung ba yung nag-date sila?
And ano, yan ang promise ni Mama to my priest, si June. Father June. Or he's a bishop now yata.
Yung ba yung
we're gonna
nag-ano
donate
sila?
half of it muna. It's cash? Yes, it's cash. Wow, it's cash!
Wow.
I like cash.
I like cute. Ay. Wait lang, even when we're not together, somehow we're still connected by color. Today is definitely yellow day. Bimbi in yellow and Raisa and Itbalaga rocking her yellow stripes too. True. True. Sa totoo lang. Kaya kahapon nung nalata ko talaga, ay, Raisa is celebrating, hindi Aquino Day din, nakiki-celebrate siya. Kasi nga, hello, kuwang ko Aquino na din siya eh. Actually, Aquino lang pala. Kasi kuwang ko pala si si Cory. Okay. Ay. Ay. Si Boxy. Si Biel pala yun. Ay, sino na si Biel? Si Biel, ano talaga, luki talaga yung mga, kuwang ko. Ay, hello, bago to. Sayang wala si Mr. Greenboy. Totoo, nanood ata si, what do you call it? Ay, parang habang nakatao. Ay, parang talaga yan kay kay Venvi. Eme kayo. Alam mo yung paka-eme Dora niyo, totoo lang. Bago to Ay, someone so sweet visit.
Ano lang po, research po talaga.
Ay, hello. Gwapo talaga siya. Gwapo talaga siya. We cannot deny the fact na gwapo talaga siya. Sa totoo lang. Ay. Okay. Cute lang siya din. Bakit ginagaya niya walang liig? Kaya pala gumaganon kasi ginagaya niya na walang liig. Oh my God, she's really pretty indeed. Is this someone sort of a sign? Yes. Sign na talaga yan, Eddie. Sign na talaga yan, Eddie. Sa totoo lang. Love you. Why do I love you? I really want to just feel like I do. Ganun ba talaga dapat? Charik! Ay,
Wilson, it's me. It's Chrissy.
ay.
Chrissy, it's been 7 years.
Okay. Dito pa rin tayo. Dito pa rin tayo sa kilig-kilig for today's video. Baby. Ganon. Ay. Baby.
Sa edad ng 21,
Oh.
pinagsabi niya si Corazon Cojuangco.
Ay, wait. Ito ba yung sinasabi ninyong... Ay, talaga? Ay, in 2 years, ah? In 2 years, sinasabi ko sa inyo. Wait lang, ah. Masama yung pakiramdam ko, guys. Kaya hindi ako masyadong napagod ako sa live kahapon. Charis! Ay, kailan to? Ay, yun na naman.
Search po talaga.
Ay. Ang laki ng ang laki ng tiyan ni ano?
No,
Ang laki ng tiyan.
Tell them that you know me. Ayaw niyang
Ang laki ng tiyan ni sino to? Ni Alex.
Okay.
Di ba Alex, ikaw yung pinaka-cool na tita ko dati?
Ay,
Kaya nga kasi syempre nagulat na lang ako nandito ka na sa Itbulaga. Sabi ko, ay nakauwi na pala si ano. Hindi, I didn't know. I thought you're in the
Eme.
States. Saka I thought kasi you're
Eme.
baka mamaya sensitive.
matampuhin. Alam na niya talaga. Alam niya talaga na matampuhin. Sa totoo
Ikaw
lang.
na lang ang ano, magpupunod sa kung baby
Alam niya talaga.
wala na yung tampon niya, nakatampon ka.
Ay. Oo.
Basta friends mo, mukha ba tumanda si ano? Basta friends mo, hindi mukhang tumatanda. First time nilang kumain ng crab. Crab. Yes. Yung kalaki. First time nila.
Ay.
So the second time dapat kayo na magkasama. Buo. See you soon, Cindy! Love you. Miss you. See you soon, okay?
See you soon.
Nakita ko yung thanks, babe.
Thanks, babe. Aminin nyo yan. Kinilig tayo dyan.
Nalaki yung mata niya.
Yes. Kitang-kita, mami, for today's video. Alam niyo yan. Han naman pala talaga.
Alam ko, research po
Anyways,
talaga.
that is our for today's video from Jalex. This is Kimo Vlogs and see you. Jalex, maybe. This is Kimo Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Bye.